Thank you very much for registering for this webinar. Well, my name is Benson. I trained as a chartered accountant, and after many years in the corporate world, I have decided to devote the rest of my career to helping entrepreneurs like you take their business to the next level. Okay? Right now, I've sent you a big gift. It's potentially a life-changing gift. It's right there in your inbox. As soon as you've registered, I've sent it to you. I want you to listen to it and tell me one insight, one life-changing insight you get from listening to it. Then I will send you even more powerful resources, that may change your business for good. Okay? You may be aware that I am also the author of the book, Gold Mine of Your Mind, Your Fast Track to Abundance. We've helped so many businesses, thousands of businesses, through my books, my seminars, my webinars, my coaching practice, my consulting practice, to help businesses understand themselves and understand their business so that they can make a big jump forward to that big dream that they have. I'm sure you do have a big dream too. So if your business is struggling, get yourself onto this webinar and then listen to the gift that I've sent to you. It will transform your business for good. If your business is doing well, I'll give you a quote from Jeff Kennedy. He said, "The time to repair the roof is when the sun is shining." Yeah? So, until I see you at the next video, which I'm going to send to you after you've listened to that and you've given me the insights you got from it, I'll say to you, your mind is a gold mine. Use it. Thank you, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye for now.